So now we have a plane interrupting us.
It was the fat guy at his desk interrupting you. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay, so here we go. So we have our bucket full of painted parts. Flywheel, AC brackets. And this motor is turning out brighter and brighter by the moment. So we ready? 3, 2, 1. This is looking so nice. And the customer requested blue so that it'd stand out. So we're highlighting all the numbers on the block by hand. There we go. We're getting there. I still got the other side left to do, but the water pump's on, gasketed, thermostat's on, gasketed. Pulley's been done. Guys did that yesterday.
It's coming out.
Ooh, wow. Hold on, wait. Okay, now your head just became small because you were like, what it looked like you were right there. So we're getting there a little bit at a time, just making sure everything's good. Proper gaskets, cleaning up the bolts. Make sure all the bolts get properly spaced. It's properly spaced, oh my God.
A little.
Yeah.
Something like that.
This is true.
You like?
Yeah. I think him calling the light blue kind of really gave it a nice...
Yeah, because it's not white.
Yeah. Now, I like white, but...
We were going to do white with, like a drop of blue in it, but
Yep.
it's a little hard with a pink pen.
Yeah.
So I had the light blue paint pen, which we actually used those on the race stuff. And so far, that looks really good. Oh.
Careful, a lot of that's red. Wet. Red, oh my... What? Yeah, it's like, what is going on with me today?
Crack?
Not this week.
That's next week.
Yeah.
Changes?
So we have our next bracket getting ready to go on.
Obviously, there's still more letters.
Oh yeah, there's more letters and everything to do on this side.
Good so far.
Yeah, it's getting there.
A
little bit at a time.
Nice work.
A little bit at a time.
You're all right, Muskrat.
Is it even showing up? There we go. Okay. So our next bracket going on will be this one with its spacers. I just got to get the bolts cleaned up and painted. And we'll get you guys all taken care of. And my shadow just keeps covering everything up. There we go. Okay. So on the next one, what do we say, guys?
I don't know.
We'll be right back after these commercials.